Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a little different, as in I'm dedicating this video to my dog, Molly. She passed away recently. I was going to make this video sooner, but things at work kind of got in the way, and I was like, I might as well go ahead and post it anyway since I have the footage for it. But yeah, I had Molly for several years. I inherited her from my grandmother, and she was a four-legged heifer. I'll say that, authors. And by that I mean she had her own little personality like most dogs do, and I miss her dearly. So I'm dedicating this to the celebration of her life and the time that I had with her. And then letting you guys know that my next video is probably going to be one more Procreate video and then Inktober. I don't know if I'll post every day for Inktober, but I'm going to try. We're already started, so I'm getting one step in the door, and we'll go from there. But anyway, it's a short video today. I'm sorry it's not longer, but you know, it happens. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Comment down below your pets' names and what they are. I'm curious to know, and I'll see you in the next one.